All right, peoples, folks, and space aliens. I finally made it back here to Cottage Bike Park, which is pretty awesome. And I'm thinking the sign says open. We've had so much rain. This place here is out in the open, so I'm thinking it's probably gonna be okay. Anyways, I came back here with my other old action cam, and it wasn't very good. So part of this video is going to be me comparing the GoPro to my old action cam, and the other part is going to be just riding stuff. But they got some crazy stuff here, and it looks like they've got tarps over some of the stuff, so they're working on stuff, and I'm thinking it actually might be closed even though it says it's open. Yeah, they got the big stuff closed. That's what it looks like to me. I'm not doing the big stuff. Look at this place. This is just solid jumps everywhere. Yeah, see, this is the fish tail, or the shark tail, whale tail, whatever you want to call it. I saw some people doing that last time I was here. It's actually pretty dry. Surprisingly. Yeah. Really kind of surprised. It's so dry. There's a drop. You got the drop. You got this thing, berm. And all right, so yeah, they have a black diamond and a double black close, which is fine with me. So they got where my bike is. You go in there. That's the green loop. I'm gonna do some practices on that. And then they've got the blue loop, which is all step ups. And then the black diamond is all doubles. And then they've got this blue trail back here, which I just about killed myself on last time I was here. I just flew over the jumps. But that's the blue trail, and it goes all the way around through. This is a can of Mountain Dew. I wonder if there's anything left. This is the big drop. Oh my gosh. They got some smaller drops, so I'm gonna do those. But I'm the only one here. It is the day after the 4th of July. There's like nobody here because everybody's sleeping. Haha, hee hee hoo hoo. All right, so this is the green loop, and I should probably put my gloves on. No brakes. You just roll right into it. Yep. Oh, perfect, super easy. This one I didn't quite clear last time. I didn't clear it that time either. I'm in a horrible gear, but I cleared that one. Ah, that was a pretty good first run. Let's get in a good gear. Hello. I've been doing drops too, where I've been sessioning drops in my neighborhood, and this part will be the drop part. I'm just gonna do the middle one. You just gotta go for it, man. You just gotta go for it. Woo! All right, this is take 3 on the green loop. Thou shalt clear. Oh, I think I cleared it. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Greetings. Looks like they got the big stuff closed. I'm okay with that.
Yeah, I've never been here, so I was just hearing what they had first.
Oh. Yeah, it's pretty awesome. Okay, I'm gonna do this one. I don't know if I'm gonna actually hit the jump or not. It's pretty steep. Yep, not quite. I think I'm gonna hit it hard time this next time. Yeah, these are actually really nice. Ah, you just gotta. This last one is easy. Oh yeah. I kind of bumped it. I do this bump thing. I do this weird bump thing where I bump the bumping bumpers. I'm just gonna walk this. Wow. I've seen people bypass this. This one here doesn't look like it's too bad. The high pitch always scares me, but that, I could do that. That one looks like it would be a lot of fun too. But then you've got they need to trim. Wow. Yeah, this would be nuts to do. Then you got a nice hip jump here at the end. And I've yet to see somebody do that. But it doesn't look like people do that at all. They go to the right of it. Pretty sweet. Oh, I got plenty of video here today, but I didn't do hardly anything. I still haven't done the big drop, but I'm so exhausted. And the heat is just so obnoxious. I'm gonna head out. I'll do some of the little stuff on the way out. Oh, there's a rock to roll.